afternoon, everyone. I'm Candace from Commodities University, and today is April 8th. And what a day we've had. What a week we've had. 4 huge big down days, and now the markets are trying to retrace a little bit about what they lost. The futures have been down this morning. The stock market has been up. Go figure. Everything is just completely wacko. And so, yeah, we'll trade what we see, not what we think. All right, not what the news says. You trade what you see. This is PP, pivot point. Pivot point is the 50-yard line. And surprise, surprise, both the ES and the NASDAQ are sitting on PP. The 50-yard line means that whoever's winning
reversing
is either on top, which the buyers are winning at this point, or below that, the sellers are winning. So now we have a beautiful setup for a failure. I'm not so sure it's going to fail. Just look at all these wicks. However, I'm going to be ready for an A-trade explosion. What is an A-trade explosion? This is an A-trade explosion. Failure of price action at support or resistance. This was overhead resistance in the direction of the trend. The trend is down. What is an A-trade? Failure of price action at support or resistance in the direction of the trend or the counter trend. We have the trend is down right here. Major, very bearish candles. It's now
NASDAQ.
245. NASDAQ's coming on down. As soon as I have this from this 1597, I'll take him down. I have 2 MACDs up, so I have to be very careful. Doesn't mean he's going down. If I had 2 MACDs down, another story completely.
NASDAQ.
Now he could reverse, and I do not want to be caught in a reversal.
ES reversing. ES
Right.
reversing.
So now we have ES reversing. See what he's doing. See, here we go. But it's in a down channel. That's not my trade. This is my trade right here. Failure of price action. This is price actions in the candles at resistance overhead. Resistance, he had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Couldn't get through the falling 200 moving average. Roberto, my robo trader, get in the trade. Dots will come in a minute. As soon as he fires off, I'm in the trade. I will not take a trade unless Robo Trader or my Roberto tells me to get in the trade. I want you guys to be disciplined. That's what I need to teach you. There's so many people who aren't disciplined, think you can just do what you want to do. When you get out here, you get creamed. You get absolutely creamed. You must be disciplined. And discipline is having rules and sticking to the rules. And I'll help you with that. Creating a trade plan and sticking to the trade plan. Really simple. No more than 3 of anything. Now, you can see that ES is having difficulties
NASDAQ.
here. So he might be stuck in a no zone. All right? A no-go zone. Here is the NASDAQ. He's also stuck trying to decide what they're going to do, bouncing off the PP, pivot point, and headed north, or taking it further south. It's a definitive moment here. We have the prices, timing is at 2:53 p.m. Eastern, and the markets are getting set up for the close at 4. So let's just see what happened. I will not move until I have Striker Arrow or Roberto, my robo trader, give me the instructions to get in the trade. He has audio visual clues
ES reversing.
that we load in, the audios, and ES reversing. You hear it. All right, so ES is reversing. Here he comes down. But look at 2 MACDs up. Flat 9. It could be trouble.
ES reversing.
We got ES reversing. He hasn't popped in yet, but what I'm going to do is take you from 0 to hero. Okay, let's see what happens. Let's wait and see. 2 charts alike, strike. Right? We also have an agreement, as you guys know, our little Russell. He's coming on down. He started coming over, turning over at 230. The other boys, the NASDAQ and the ES, are having difficulty deciding what they're going to do. But I'm ready to take him down. All right, let's sell bid right here. Come on, hit me. Now I have 4 in order
ES reversing.
There you go. I got dots now in order to carry. He's coming back here to this 21 PP. That's his first stop. All right, so what I like to do is sell 2 more. I like to go in with 2.
NASDAQ
6.
reversing.
All right, here he goes. 6. Take that one out. Yeah, we'll be all right. It's coming on down. This is a pretty trade. I'm not sure if it will go into a trade explosion, but now it's looking pretty much like it will. All right, really nice. Let's see what's going to happen here. It's set up pretty nice over here on the little 2 bar. All right, so let's see. Yeah, it's coming on down. Here's, see what the NASDAQ is going to do. Now we got double MACDs down. Yeah, this is nice. NASDAQ is already gone. So boom, hit us 1225 in 5-6 minutes. Would you do that with me every day? You're darn right you would.
Reversing.
Come over here and let me teach you this system. It's so easy. You will learn this in 30 days. Most of my students learn it in 30 days. They learn the pattern. To go live money, you're going to need it 6 months, 3 to 6 months to go to live money, hitting 70% accuracy before you go to live money, so that you're confirmed. You know what you're doing. You're confident. You trust yourself. So the bottom line here is learn the system, learn to trust the system, learn to trust yourself. And then come on over here and get me. I'm Candace signing out for Commodities University. And don't forget to look in the description box below this video for a link that will take you to the next masterclass. And I will see you when you get here. Bye for now.